Welcome to Aiqbee. Now your AI can finally know what it's talking about. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Brains feature and the chat features of Aiqbee. So let's get started by signing in. After signing in, you'll be presented with a dashboard like this. You can see statistics and also navigate to recent chats that you may have been involved with. But for today, let's start a new chat. After clicking on the New Chat button, I can optionally enter a title, and then I get to choose a model. And you can see there's a range of models here. Let's choose GPT-4o, and then click Start Chat to begin. From here, you'll see a fairly typical chat interface, and I can paste in my prompt or question at the bottom and click Send to get a response. But in this case, we're not getting an answer because the GPT model is not aware of the Virelia Global company or anything about it. And this is information that's also not available on the internet. So this is where the brain is useful. We click on the Brains tab, and we have a Virelia Global brain, which contains information about our fictitious demo company, Virelia Global. And I can simply drag and drop that into the chat like this. Now, if we ask the question again, you can see that we will get a more comprehensive answer based on the brain that we've added. And additionally, we may decide that we want to use a different AI model, perhaps one that is better at financial information. So let's start a new chat. Go back to the Chats tab. We click on New Chat. And this time, let's choose Claude Sonnet, and we can specify the brain to begin with so we don't have to drag and drop it into the chat. Then click on Start Chat, and as before, we are presented with a new chat window, but this time using a different AI model and with the Virelia Global brain preloaded. Next, let's ask the same question again. This time, we see a slightly different answer because it's coming from a different AI model. The best part of this is we're able to reuse the brain and reuse that same confidential information in a secure way with multiple AI models without needing to have a separate paid subscription for each. And that's how we use Aiqbee Brains and Chats. For more tutorials like this, check out our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.